Bonnie, Chica too, and the rest of the crew.
Hey, Funtime Freddy. Yeah? Do you want to hear a joke? Achoo! Sure. What do you call a achoo? What? Do I have allergies or something? What? What? What's the joke? Forget the joke. I don't know if it's either I'm allergic to something or I have allergy. I mean, you should ask other people to see if they can help you. That sounds like a good idea. Okay. Do you know anything? No. Oh, man. I'm sorry. It's okay. Well, I guess achoo! 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 I guess I'll go then. Okay. I'll see you like 30 minutes or so. I'll go see if I can find a doctor, the nearest doctor that we could see. Okay. Well, I'll see you later. See ya. Hey, you guys. Joe. No, why I keep sneezing?
No, not at all. Are you okay, Funtime Freddy?
Joe. I just keep on sneezing and sneezing. Like, don't like Joe. You should try the doctor. What's the doctor gonna do? You should try the what is he called again? Like the repair guy around here. Yeah, yes, you should try him. He might work. Or just something's broken in your endoskeleton, but I don't want to go digging down there. Ugh. I mean, I'll light it up. What do you mean by light it up? Like, so you can see? Because I'm a cupcake. I have a candle on top. No thanks.
Well, we don't know. So we're sorry, Funtime Freddy.
It's okay. Achoo! Achoo! Well, it's okay. I'll go ask the toy animatronics then. Tafaxi, 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 tafax. What?
Yeah, she said to...
He tried... I can't talk. She said try the repanic. Well, we panic? Reparic? Whatever, however you say his name. I'm not an engineer. Oh, yeah, engineer. Try the engineer. But we don't have one. Yeah. Achoo! You know what, you guys, beside, everybody else beside Foxy, is good. But beside Foxy, because he's just yabbling. Why haven't you asked me? Oh, do you know? Achoo! No. You just wasted my time! Do you know why I keep on sneezing? Yeah. Bon Bon, be quiet. No, not at all. Is there, like, something wrong? Yeah, it's my sneeze. Achoo! Okay. I don't know what to do. Thanks. You don't help. You're never no help. That's what she said. I'm not a she, by the way. Oh, wait. I'm IQ 21. Anyway, just no help. That's what she said. I'm not a she. I'm a he. Oh, yeah. IQ 21.
Joy Freddy, you have to know. Pause. What did you call me?
Toy Oh, snap.
Achoo! You do not call me Toy Freddy.
Ow. I know I should have called him Toy Freddy.
What did you just call me?
No, I'm saying that I shouldn't have called him Toy Freddy. Like you, Toy Freddy.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Well, you're gonna get beat up again. Or, I meant your stomach's mine.
Whatever. Boston Service Gang. Where are you? Where? Ow. What the? Oh. Over here. Should be. Why? I don't know. I haven't been this far. So, we're in my... Why is there people in my room? What the dog doing? Yeah, what the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? What the dog doing? Why are you guys first of all in my room? I never said you could. Fake time, Freddy. I didn't do anything, I promise. Ow. You okay? Yeah. My voice changed for some reason. Achoo! You okay? Yeah, you okay? That's the next thing I was going to ask you. Do you guys know why I keep on sneezing? Achoo! Sing. No idea. No idea. No idea. No idea. You guys are no help. I think you guys made him upset. That's fine. And first of all, why are you even in my room? Avenue, you! Yay! They had my room. In Funtime Freddy's room, but you know. So, Mango told me that she would be here. I'm here. What? What? Did you just go for the wall or the floor? Anyway, what do you want to ask me? Because I can basically, well, never mind. But what do you want to ask? Do you know why I keep on Zing. What now? Do you know why I keep on sneezing? Oh, sneezing? Yeah. Achoo! No idea. Why? Thanks for the help. You're welcome. What? Come back if you need to ask another question. Well, now what? You know, only if Puppet was here, I could ask him. Because I think that's the last person from FNAF 2. What about me? Speaking of you, you know why I keep on sneezing? Yeah, I keep on sneezing for so achoo odd reason. I don't know. So I'm not like a panic. What panic? Whatever. I can't talk today, and so's the person controlling me. Ha 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 ha. What was that? You know, I don't care. Come on, Bella. You can do the splits. I mean, I'll try then. Okay, no, I can't do the splits. Why can't I? I do it all the time. Yeah, why can't you? Suckers, baby. Why are you guys in here for the first place? Yeah! But first of all, two things. One, do you know why I keep on sneezing? No idea. No idea. And two, who invited you to my... Never mind. Not me. But no, I don't know why. I don't know why either. You guys should leave. You guys should leave. Okay. You're ruining the fun. Fake time, Freddy? What? Attention, everybody. We are selling 1,003 tacos. Yeah. So, if you want one, hey guys, oh my god. You guys know why I keep on Achoo! Funtime Freddy. Did you just get your saliva on me? You know what? I'm not even gonna ask. No. You know what? You lay on the floor. Okay? What if I move? What happened? Dog pile!
Your hair's beautiful. Notice it. Your tail's beautiful. Notice it. Everyone loves you. No. You are the best.
I know, I am the best.
I am the best.
No, I'm the best. What do you want? Do you know why I keep on sneezing?
No clue. So get out. Okay? Your hair's beautiful. Your tail's beautiful. Everyone loves you. I am the best. I am the best.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Dancing. Yeah.
Dancing. Yeah.
Do you guys know why I keep on sneezing? Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
No clue.
No clue. Achoo! Thanks. You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Dancing. I said dancing. Dancing's what to do.
Dancing is what we groove. Yeah.
Who wants looking nice?
Me? What wish do you want?
I want me to stop achoo!
Actually, I don't think I can make that wish come true, but I know how to make it come true. Okay? Let's call the word panic. The what now? Never mind. But yeah, just meet me in the other room. There's multiple other rooms. What do you mean by other room? The other room. What other room? There you are. Shh. Hello, this is the engineer. What can I help you with? So we have this animatronic that I believe, he keeps on sneezing. Ew. Okay. I'll meet you there. Address? Let me ask Freddy. Freddy! What? What's our address? 2546. 2546. What street? Fazbear Street. Okay, I'll meet you there. What do you mean we'll meet you there? What do you mean by you'll meet us there? We're already here. Never mind. But no, just hang on tight, okay? To what? Boop, boop, boop. Looks like he hanged up. But he's still coming, right? I think so. Where's my clover? My clover. Where's my clover? My clover! Alright, so he's here. Who's here? Hello, my name is Jason. Jason the engineer. Oh, okay. So what do you want me to do? Well, I brought something that I can look inside of you. But you're gonna, you know what, it'll be better if you just see it. Okay, so let's go. So, are you ready for me to look inside of you? Yeah, let's just get it over with. I don't want to watch this part. It's so scary. That's okay. Well, let's begin. So that's the problem. There's a feather inside of you. There's a feather inside of me? Yep. Well, are you just gonna take it out already? Sure thing. Alright, well, I took it out of you, and now all we gotta do is just close you right up, and then we should be good. Okay? Let's just, come on. Alright, just be patient. Well, thanks. What was your name again? Oh, my name's Jason. Thanks, Jason. You're welcome. I will see you next time. See you. Freddy! Yo? What do you want? Now I can stop sneezing. Achoo! Well, looks like the feather's still inside of you. Oh no, silly. That's just a normal sneeze, not from the, the feather. Oh. Well, thank you everybody for watching. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Peace.